did make cake, and me and my sister love mommy, and we did make cake for mommy. So what's this? I will put the butter first because hey, can you do that small spoon? Spoon?
I'm happy to do it.
Okay. What do we get? Mama, we help? We help you. Ew! Go wash your hands. Upgrade. How do we get? Yes. Kuna, you the other one. Uh-oh. Yeah, you do the other one. Kuna, you do the other one.
I think I could.
Yeah.
Pop that.
Open it. Good job. And your head.
Enough.
Gonna put the milk. Uh-oh. Put the milk. Okay. It's like one. Another one. Two.
My turn.
Thank you.
Put it there. It's not messy.
Pretend. Jonah. Good.
Okay.
Is that how we
Ew.
do? Then we got mommy don't put in the oven.
Okay.